Welcome to a demonstration of the clamp. The clamp easily attaches to the front of the bench. The lever on the bottom allows you to put tension on the ball joint so that when you put your piece of jewelry in it and hold it in place, you can turn it and view it at a number of angles so that you could easily do your work. First, we're going to use boric acid and alcohol to protect the diamonds in this platinum piece. Next, we're going to be using 1000 degree Celsius or 1832 degree Fahrenheit solder to attach these prongs to this platinum piece. So here I have the first piece attaching solder to it. And as I get ready to solder, you see I'm going to turn the piece so I get the angle that I need to attach it. So here comes the soldering of the first prong. Notice where my fingers are, being able to hold steady the pair of tweezers while I'm soldering it. Now we're going to move on to the second prong. I'll be applying the solder. Now I'm going to be attaching it to the ring. So here we are, soldering it in place. Now I'm going to get prong number 3. For prong number 3, I'm going to rotate the clamp so I can get a good position for that third prong. Now I'm getting some solder. I am attaching the prong now. Now we have prong number 4. Prong number 4, first I will get some solder. I'm attaching it now. Please notice once again where my fingers are to steady my hand. And it's soldered. Now I'm going to prong number 5. Getting some solder. Now I'll rotate the clamp for best viewing to be able to solder this prong in place. Notice once again, my hand is on the clamp while I'm soldering it to steady my hand holding the tweezers in the prong. Now in a closer view, I'm soldering in prong number 6. My finger once again is on the clamp to steady this prong. Now with prong number 7, we'll get some solder. Then we'll rotate the piece for the position for prong number 7. Notice where my finger is for steadying my hand while I'm soldering. That's prong number 7. Now we have prong number 8. Prong number 8, I drop it, so I'm going to go get another one. So first I'm getting some solder. Please notice too where my hand is, it's lower on the clamp, but I'm using one finger to press up against the clamp while I'm soldering it. Thanks for watching this video of the clamp, a tool to help the craftsman.